Hello and welcome to Voice News Network. My name is Pragya Devan and here are the top stories from Ontario, Canada. Two people have been charged with second-degree murder after a fatal shooting in Scarborough on Monday evening. An 18-year-old man and a 31-year-old woman also faced 3 counts each of firearms-related charges. Police were called to the area of Kingston Road and Morningside Avenue at about 5 p.m. When officers arrived, they found a man suffering several gunshot wounds. Toronto paramedics rushed the man, believed to be in his 20s, to hospital where he died, according to the police. A firearm was recovered and a homicide squad has taken over the investigation. Both of the accused were set to appear in court on Tuesday. Ontario is reporting fewer than 1,000 hospitalizations of people with COVID-19 for a third day in a row as the province lifts all remaining capacity limits in indoor settings and scraps its vaccine certificate system today. The province reported 914 people in hospital with the virus, slightly up from 849 the day before, but down from 1,038 at the same time last week. According to the Ministry of Health, about 45% of those admitted to hospital were seeking treatment for COVID-19 symptoms, while 55% were admitted for other reasons but have since tested positive for the virus. Of the hospitalizations reported, there are 278 ICU patients, which is down from 279 the day before and 319 1 week ago. About 80% were admitted to intensive care specifically for the virus, while the rest were admitted for other reasons and tested positive. The province also reported 18 additional deaths, pushing the official death toll to 12,451. Employees of the Ontario Public Service will begin returning to work in person this week voluntarily and are expected to be in the office 3 days per week starting April 4th. According to a memo sent out by Ontario Secretary of Cabinet Michelle D. Emmanuel on Tuesday, roughly 29,000 government civil servants can return to the office on their own terms today, but the hybrid arrangement is not permanent. The move impacts more than 60,000 employees in the line ministries of the Ontario government and a number of its agencies and crown corporations. About half of them have been working remotely for part or of the past 2 years of the COVID-19 pandemic. Approximately 29,000 OPS employees began a gradual return to work in November last year, but that was reversed totally after the arrival of Omicron variant. Proof of COVID-19 vaccination is no longer required as of today at most Ontario restaurants, gyms and movie theatres, while nightclubs, sporting and concert venues can get rid of capacity limits and restrictions lifted on social gathering sizes. Ontario is ending most of its major COVID-19 public health measures today, though Premier Doug Ford says that mask mandates will likely be in place for at least a couple of more weeks. And that is it in today's bulletin. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel if you like videos like this.